We're here with La Habra's Jake Peppard after the Highlanders had defeated Trabuco Hills 27-22 in the semifinals tonight. Hey Jake, what an effort by your defense to get you guys back to the finals for the second year in a row.
Oh yeah, tell me about it. La Habra, that's defense. So we came out here to play, we got after it, we played hard-nosed defense, we made plays. We got after it, I'm excited right now.
Talk about the big play that ended up being a fumble by Trabuco Hills in the second half at the 1 yard line. Give us a little rundown on that.
That was just a great effort by one of our guys, Acevedo, running it down, making a play, playing tough. So.
Right. Hey, what did you guys think about how tough Trabuco Hills played you tonight? This was a very good game. I mean, they got up on you in the first half.
They're a tough team. They're not the toughest we played, but they're pretty tough. We got after it. They got after it. It's a good game.
All right. What do you think about playing Tustin?
I'm excited. They're a run team. We're a run-stopping team. I think we're gonna get after it. They run that wing T like Troy does. Shut Troy out. So pretty excited.
All right, Jake. Of course, you had a big tackle here at the end, the fourth and one. You said you came right down the line, huh?
Right down. Just read my block.